What is going on, guys? It is May 7th, I think. Yes, it is. It is May 7th. And, man, the turkey hunting has not been easy. It has been one of the hardest seasons I can remember here in Indiana. They have just been so call shy from the get-go. My cousin Michael killed a bird this morning, actually. Killed an awesome bird this morning. And we're going to try and set up by this field over here this afternoon. It's really hot. The sun is burning up, so I'm not sure if we're going to see a lot of toms strutting, but hopefully there's a tom or two in these woods, and maybe we can call it to them. So maybe we'll see something, maybe we won't. That's kind of how it's been so far this season, but can't kill them on the couch, so we'll see how it goes. Finally got set up, overlooking a big field, surrounded by trees. It's kind of a squared field. Goes on for a while. Woods on both sides. Not sure if we'll see or even hear anything, but fingers crossed we just get one gobbler over here. Got one more week and it's all over. It's funny how quick it goes by. It's here and it's gone. That's why I say, turkey hunting, you stress about, hunters stress more about turkey hunting in Indiana than deer, because, deer you got all the time in the world, every day, all day, and turkey, you got half the day if you only hunt public, and it's just, they get so call shy. I mean, they get shy everything. They won't even gobble, they won't come in, they stay henned up, they'll stay in the woods, they'll just walk and feed and won't do anything. But we'll see what happens. I'm gonna be here, it's almost dark, so maybe I'll catch a tom trying to come in to roost, so we'll see. Well, man, the weather's changing so much, I got a bloody nose. We had 3 toms by us this evening. I mean, I'm sorry the camera work was really bad, but I couldn't move. I had a tom at that corner peek out, and then he left. I don't know where he went. I had a tom come across this entire field, go all the way around me. Then he was 20 yards right here. I couldn't shoot. And then he stayed. He never came in the field. He stayed on the wood line and walked that way. And then I had a huge strutter out in that field. I mean, and it's about to pour rain right now, but it was a great evening. It don't get much closer than that without it happening. So if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna try to get out of the rain. What's up, guys? We're back. I'm coming back kind of that same spot I was last time, only going where the toms came in. And he's already in the field over there. I'm gonna see if I can try and beat him to the spot. Hopefully he doesn't run over here like last time. So, see what happens. Well, I got here a little earlier than yesterday. Come in and there's already a tom in the field and with the hen, and they're going this way. And then he just turns around and walks away. I don't know why. The hen came out and she went this way, way out there. So I don't know. I don't think he saw me, but who knows, man. Their eyesight is crazy. He was moving pretty good. He was all the way in that corner, and by the time I got here in 30 seconds, he was almost already to that edge. I got here a little bit earlier than I did last time. I was like 100 yards back that way in the corner of the field. Last time when I was here, man, all the toms, one of the time rained to this corner. It's one of the reasons I'm here. I saw another bird right here. I couldn't tell if it was a tom or not, and then right at the end I saw a tom strutting out in this field. So it's pretty windy right now. I don't know if anything would hear my calling, because I don't think anything is in the woods behind me, but you never know. Just gotta sit and wait and see if anything walks out. Seems like they come out of those woods way down there, and they come into these woods to roost. So it's kind of disappointing. You walk out and a tom is walking away from you. So hopefully we'll get more action here soon, and toms come the same way they did 2 days ago. Actually, feels like yesterday, but hopefully he'll come in. I'll be able to get on video. I just want to kill a tom. It's getting pretty old at this point. It's been aggravating, but see what happens.